Hello, British. I'm at the gate of your workplace. First come out. Yeah, it's urgent. First come out. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Hey, Jacinth.
British.
Hey, how are you? I expected you to be at school. What are you doing here at my workplace?
You didn't expect me back. Something just came up. Yeah.
Is it something strange? That you speak. My boss is in the office. I need to hurry. Oh, come on.
It's serious.
What is it that you wanted to tell me? You are
British, I'm expecting a child. Why are you giving me that look?
No, not that look. You know, tell me you're joking. You're joking.
How can I joke about such? I'm not joking. Please stop insulting me.
Okay, fine. Being pregnant is the problem right now, isn't it? But, you know, we cannot keep this pregnancy. I'm working under someone. We cannot keep this. I don't have enough money to take care of this child. I can't build a hotel like this. No, I cannot. I don't have money. We can't maintain this pregnancy. But we can abort.
You know the consequences of abortion. You want me to abort? What if I end up dying?
We can abort it. Let's remove it away. Don't you want us to be like Cardi B and Offset? We have better things to do. Then listen to me. Please.
I don't want to abort.
If you don't want to abort this pregnancy, forget me as your boyfriend, as the father of this thing you're calling a child. Okay? I'm not in for it. I cannot take care of this child. Maybe I'll just assume that someone else did it. I did not do it. Forget me as the person who put this thing in your stomach.
Leave this.
Please, I'm going inside. I'm going to do my work.
No, okay.
What is it? What is it again? To embarrass me again?
No, I'll not embarrass you. I'll just do it. I'll abort. Fine. I really need to do this, but I don't want my future to be at stake as well.
Now you're talking. Let me first give you the keys.
What are you checking for?
My keys. It's like I left it with a neighbor. You just go and wait for me at the veranda. Let me rush to my friend, okay? Let me rush to my friend and I'll find you at home, okay? Please, come. I'll find you at home. Jojo! What is it? I'm in trouble.
Have we killed the president?
We have not killed the president. What happened? That's it, my girlfriend is pregnant. I'm telling you something, you're laughing. I just don't laugh.
I should not laugh.
Do something. Hey. My
No, don't worry.
I don't want to become a father.
You're already a father. You don't want to be a father. You have that thing.
Jojo, what is happening to me should not happen to you, Jojo.
Never. Don't worry. Now, what you do is, don't worry. You're my best friend. I will help you.
Wait, please.
I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you it or just.
Jojo, hurry up. If you're help me.
That's it. No, that's it. I'm going to give you. You're my friend. You have ever helped me.
You're wasting time. I left the boss in the office, Jojo. You're wasting time.
Don't worry. I'm coming. Can you just do things like this and yet I have the solution. You're my best friend.
Jojo, go. God, what trouble have I put myself into? Jojo, hurry. Jojo, please.
You come. This one here. See this one here. Yeah, this is it. Letter 2 and 2. 2 and 2 and 2. 2 and 2. How many times have I called this?
Just like the way you did it.
Now you're talking. It's just like that.
Okay.
You will not do her bad. Nothing.
It's okay, Jojo. I will call you when it works.
Now you're talking. And there you go. You will call me now.
Justin, I know you might have waited for so long, but it's okay. Wait. Jacinth, take this and chew. Okay? Let me open for you. It's only chewing it. Have this. It's just instant, and don't worry, nothing will happen to you, okay?
Just chewing.
Yeah, just chew. Let me get for you some water to drink, okay?
It's fine.
Here, have this. Trust me, you are going to be fine, okay?
I'm really scared.
Just drink the water after chewing. You'll be okay.
Are you going back for work soon?
Yeah, I'm soon leaving for work, but I can't leave you in this stage.
British.
What? What is it? Are you okay? Please.
British, what have you done, British? What have you...
No, you'll be fine. It's okay. Relax.
British, what did you bring?
Ah,
My stomach is paining.
please, no. Please, don't do this. You'll be fine. Please, you'll be fine. Please, come. You'll be fine. Is it painful? Is it?
It's too painful.
Please, you take some water, please.
I never...
Please, take some water. Please, take some
I need
water.
water. Yes, please.
Please. Please, you will take water. Boy. No. Let me call Jojo. This thing is not okay. And no air time. What the? Pig. Jojo, pig. Hello? Hello, Jojo? The drug is doing just as bad. Yes, you are here. As I'm talking to her, she's sleeping. And the drug is doing her bad. Please. Now who is this one calling? I hate being disturbed. Here you are. Oh, thank God you came. What? What is it? Huh? Jojo, you're asking what is it? Are you not seeing what is happening here? Jojo, I did everything. I did everything.
And now what's wrong with that?
You see,
That thing has come.
no, she just, the thing was,
Wait.
I don't know, she was feeling stomach pain.
That's
Right
now.
now.
She's down.
She's resting.
Let me check properly.
She has been sleeping now over like for some good minutes already. I don't know what to do.
Do you think this girl is sleeping?
Are you talking sense?
British, I'm telling you the fact, this girl is not sleeping. This is dead material.
Who killed her? You killed
Who
her.
went to who? Who went to who? Didn't you go to me? Didn't you?
For this, don't consider me a Ugandan, okay? Don't consider me a Ugandan.
Yeah. So you're running. You're running. Who should be here? Who should be here? You think I'll not catch you? Okay, let's go.